In this lesson, we're going to review the row formula. The row formula is used to find the number of a row where a referenced cell is located within a worksheet. The formula is actually very simple. It's equal to row, open parentheses, and then you put in the reference cell. And that reference cell is the cell where you want to find the relative position of it within the workbook. This is a commonly used function or formula that you want to use in advanced financial modeling if you have got a large set of data that you're working with and you need to make reference to specific rows within the financial model. Let's take a look at an example. So in our example here, we've got a data table starting in row 23, which contains the date, customer ID, sale location, product ID, and quantity. And we've got some highlighted cells for which we want to identify the row number. And I've summarized the row number in the table in cells I-27 through J-31. I've color-coded it for ease of reference. If we take a look at cell J-28, we can see that the formula is equal to row, and then I put in the cell reference for the yellow highlighted cell, and that's actually row 30. And we can tell that's accurate because it actually indicates row 30 in Microsoft Excel. The red cell is row 34, and that's properly calculated by the row formula in cell J29, and so on. Brown is 39, and green is in row 46. So that's pretty much it. That's how you would calculate the row number associated with a specific cell. This can be used as a formula to make reference to these cells in other financial models. You can embed this within a formula if you need to make reference to it, and nest it within a formula that contains other lookups and references. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.